Jylla Kanhon Menteri ke Sorkar MDA2 ke belapen long hak arpokondai tare risau arhajar arpusan kalashim ya kerai ban Pyntreikam no ya ke Meghalaya Village Organization Rule arhajar arpusan. Habakran sikilat pathai kubor na kaliang unong ay kitin bathamai ke Sorkar MDA2 uba wailat miki Shilla Menteri Ketenat Health ulaong. Bagajing Pyntreikam ya ke rule kalong ban penslor ya kisnong bagin thau ya ki VDP knang ban la ban telakam ya ki kam snew. Nalor kata ulaang ru, banakaliang ke Sorkar Jylla kan kentiu ya ke Jingïarap bisa seman lagi VDP nak alai spat Tyngka syak alai hajar Tyngka man lau benai, nalor ke Jingïarap ban penbiang ya ke uniform nalor kiwe-kiwe.
Today we passed this Meghalaya Village Defence Organization Rule 2025 where we already specify the role of the chiefs since from the state, district up to different levels. So definitely we'll be sharing with you the whole details of the rule. So but definitely there are we have increased the out of pocket from we usually 300, now it's going to be 3,000, which we really hope that it will really encourage the people with our VDPs. So definitely we want to see that our VDP active, especially and in today's time, as you know that we are facing the challenges of crime and drugs and even in border areas. So that's why we hope that with these new rules, then I think we will really be able to encourage our villages to form the village defense party.
Just 3,000 per month or annually?
Per month, per party.
Is there any plan to at least provide them some sort of weapon or something?
No, we cannot say weapon, but we from in the rule also itself it has mentioned that we will try to modernize thing. We will try to help them with some kind of uniform, some kind of walkie-talkie, and some with the proper with this IDs and all. So definitely that is on mind, but we cannot say weapon, but definitely we are on that line.
Shosho ka Jylla Kanhon Menteri kalashim rai penbet renti ya ki school SSA nalor kiwe pat kimat.
The introduction and implementation of outcome-based budgeting method for utilizing state fund from the health budget. The second agenda we took today is regularization of special educator and similar professional as mandated in the Honorable Supreme Court of India Order File Number EDN.170/2023. The next agenda is rationalization of government or SSA school. The next agenda is Meghalaya Village Defence Organization Rule 2025 and to revise the out-of-pocket money of VDPs as per file number HPL.238/2025. The next agenda is the amendment to Schedule 11 to the Meghalaya Legal Metrology Enforcement Rule 2011. Next is publication of the draft code on wages Meghalaya Rule 2024. Second, the draft Meghalaya Occupation Safety, Health and Working Condition Rule 2024. Third is the draft code on Industrial Relation Meghalaya Rule 2024 and the draft code on Social Security Meghalaya Rule 2024. Next is the schedule for the preparation of roll for the conduct of the election for the Kyrwoh Hills Autonomous District Councils. So these are the agenda taken in today's cabinet meeting.
Regarding this GHC election thing, if you can elaborate what exactly it is.
So this is actually, see, the election is going to be happen next year. So today the cabinet, because as you know, no doubt we have not decided the date yet, but the government has to start the preparatory step. So that's why today we in the cabinet we passed the schedule for the preparation of roll for the conduct of the election in Kyrwoh Hills. So like I already said that the government has to start the preparatory step because we need to have the roll ready before the date of the election comes.
Will the election be on the scheduled time, or is there any chance of election being postponed?
For that, the cabinet is yet to take any decision. No, the SSA, as you already know, that just recently the teachers have met our Honorable Chief Minister and the Education Minister. They have agreed to have a new pay structure. So they have already agreed on that, and also at the same time they have agreed for the rationalization. So today we from the government, so we have approved that to start the rationalization process. Actually, the order from the Honorable Supreme Court, because there was a case, it seems that because we need to have a special educator. So for that we are just because right now we have 283 numbers of posts. So in this post they are working as contractual, and there are also to be recruited. So we are just regularizing to we approved from the cabinet for regularization of this post.
Habatin, pej bahagi kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ikadur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha ka jing im ba kambha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.